sometimes feel like achieving your goal requires sacrificing your personal well-being? Or perhaps you feel exhausted despite all your effort to move forward with your projects. What if it was possible for you to progress on your goal while cultivating true personal fulfillment? Hi, my name is Cecile and I help professionals just like you optimize their resource management, time, energy and money so that they can achieve their goal while being happy and fulfilled. So, in this video, I'm going to share 5 tips with you to help you balance performance and well-being so that you can live an aligned, fulfilling and meaningful life. So stick around until the end because the 5th tip may just transform the way you approach your days. So tips number 1 is about clarifying your priority. We often spread ourselves too thin, trying to do everything at once only to end up feeling overwhelmed. So take a moment to ask yourself, what are my real priority in life? Not what someone wants from you or what you think they want from you. Is it your career? Is it your family? Is it your health? Or maybe your personal growth? Once that is clear, you can focus solely on what truly matters, avoiding energy-draining distraction. Here is a concrete example of this. I recently worked with a client who wanted to excel at work but was neglecting his health. By clearly defining his top priority is his well-being, he was able to integrate some fun activity on his ritual, which made him even more effective at work. The second tip is about learning to recharge regularly. You can't give your best if you are constantly running on empty. Taking care of yourself is like recharging a battery. It allows you to keep moving forward effectively. Here are 2 practical ideas to recharge. First is set aside some time each week for activity you genuinely enjoy. It could be reading, cooking, or even walking in the nature or painting. Next is incorporate practice like meditation or deep breathing. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference in your life. Remember, it's not a wasted time. It's an investment in your balance and productivity. Tips number 3 is creating rituals that support your goal. A well-designed rituals are powerful for automating progress because they are really system helping us to function effectively. When you build good habits into your daily life, you save mental energy and move forward with your goal effortlessly. Here is an effective ritual that I am suggesting you. You can just start your day with an inspiring morning ritual like writing 3 goals for the day. 3 priority non-negotiable for you for the day. This helps you spread your day. You can even take on urgency or emergency or helping someone, knowing that by the end of the day you will be able to handle your 3 non-negotiable goals. So even if you give your time away, you will not be worried because I have 3 things to do which are non-negotiable and getting me moving forward still. So next is about spending around 10 minutes moving or meditating or anything you really love. What is important is really to get you in the place that you are happy and you are appreciating and being active in your life. So you are ready to start giving out because you already self-nourished. In the evening, I usually suggest to do a quick review before sleeping because it's important to know that we have impacted, we have done something in a day. So it's about asking self, what did you accomplish and what made you proud in your day. So for this one, I really suggest to be very realistic because a good routine doesn't need to be complicated. What matters is only consistency. Consistency into doing that because we are building the identity moving forward. And the next tip, which is the 4th one, is to surround yourself with inspiring people. You may know by now that you are the sum of the people you spend the most time with. If you are surrounded with people who support you, motivate and share your value, it becomes much easier for you to stay aligned and motivated. Here are some concrete actions that you can take moving forward. I would suggest to join group or community that share your interests or seek out mentor or maybe friends who inspire you to grow, because toxic demotivating relationship will hold you back definitely. So it's important to learn to set healthy boundary if necessary. The fifth tip is about celebrating your progress, not just your result. We often wait too long to achieve a big goal to feel satisfied because we don't celebrate ourselves alone. So the secret is to celebrate every small step that brings you closer to your goal. Here is an example that will maybe inspire you, because I recently was working with an entrepreneur who was struggled to stay motivated. And when I encourage him to note and celebrate each milestone, like completing a chapter on his project or signing a very small contract or maybe having a testimonial for a client that he helped, he rediscovered his energy and joy for his work. He was again passionate for his work. So it's really important to notice every advancement, every small step that you are doing on your day, so that it helps you to feel that satisfaction. You just don't want to maybe achieve a very big goal to celebrate yourself. And the next is about practicing gratitude. It's every evening write down even one thing that you are proud or you are grateful for. So this will shift your perspective and help you to appreciate your own journey. In summary, here are the 5 tips that we've gone through in this video. First is clarifying your priority. Second, regularly recharge. And third is about building ritual with which will support you on your way of achieving your goals. And fourth is about surrounding yourself with inspiring people. And the last one was to celebrate your progress, not just the result. So let me know in the comment, which tip will you apply starting now? Or maybe which of those are you already implementing in your life? So if this video inspire you, please like, subscribe, and if you haven't yet, so, and share it with someone who may need this small but powerful idea to move forward in their own journey. Remember, achieving goal doesn't have to come at the cost of your well-being. With the right strategy, you can have both. Take care of yourself, and I will see you on my next video. Bye now.